Hello! If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe for new projects and ideas. This time we're going to be installing a center console on a Sienna 2014 LE. Originally this model and year doesn't come with a console, but it can be done. This console came on a Sienna 2015 XLE. First, remove the front trim on the existing tray to access the mounting holes. I did not find any online information on installing a center console on this model, but I knew it was possible. After removing the tray, present the console to align the front holes. You will notice the open gap at the front. This gap will be covered once we trim the molding that we first removed. You will see along the video. If your console comes with a rear cover trim, remove the trim to access the mounting holes. With the front holes aligned, center the console using the rear seat slider as a guide. Using the mounting holes on the console, poke a hole through the carpet. You will feel the mounting holes beneath the carpet. Measure from the front holes to the rear holes on the console and draw a straight line on both sides. This sliding console measures 30 inch and a quarter. Using a utility knife, cut through the carpet and insulation, uncovering the 4 mounting holes. This console comes with extra accessories, but I'm only going to be using the cup holder LED light. Locate the designated wires, and connect them to the cigarette lighter outlet. Present the console, and check for proper fit. This is the molding that we are going to be trimming, to cover the gap at the front of the console. If everything looks good, install them trim molding. Install all the mounting bolts, and install the rear molding cover. Complete center console installation, on a 2014 Sienna LE. This console was installed on my own vehicle. I am not responsible for any damage you might cause on your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming videos.